Hey traders, this is Jeff with zentrader.ca, and I went ahead and took a look through my 60 or 70 sector charts just to try to get some kind of idea as to if this market rally has some legs, if it's more of a dead cat bounce, just to see what sectors are weak and which sectors are strong, and how I'm going to define sectors that are strong are, for instance, this would be a strong market. Anything down, any pullback down to say the 40 level would be bullish because it would be just normal digestion of gains, whereas a weak sector would look like it would look like this, where actually the RSI has gone down well below 30, and a bounce up to 60, it would be a typical normal bounce. And we'll just start with here. I've got 5 sectors here that I think look extremely bearish, and then I have a few, basically 3 sectors that really are the only 3 that have any kind of a bullish pattern at all. And for the most part, a lot of sectors aren't really telling us a whole lot, but they're pretty much just kind of stuck in the middle, not really given any extreme readings to see which way that sector could lead. But since we'll start with this sector since I actually have it pulled up, and this happens to be the same sector that Apple is in, and you can see that it had a really nice run. And then during this sell-off, this sector went down to, I don't know, about 26, 25-ish, and it's basically just bouncing. And it's getting close to the upper Bollinger. It's getting close to that 60 level. It's getting close to probably just rolling over. Fixed line communication, this would be your AT&T, same looking chart pattern, basically very weak, and this just looks like a normal bounce, and then it'll probably go sideways and roll over. Healthcare, this is more of a defensive stock by nature. I'm not really sure what how to really use this information. This is a weak looking chart. I mean, there's no doubt. So here's a good example of how it went down, came back up, bounced to 60, kind of bounced around, and then went lower. So healthcare stocks are weak. U.S. durable. This is I view this as weak because this is actually a negative divergence. As this is going higher, the RSI is not confirming. So household products, durable household products are weak. And then finally, I think real estate represents a very weak sector. It had a really big sell-off down here, probably about 24, 23, and it's bouncing. It's having some problems just getting past the 50. So, you've got computers, fixed line communications, healthcare, durable households, and real estate. All of these sectors are really going to need, with the exception of maybe the healthcare providers, all of these sectors are really going to need to start to show some strength if this market's going to have any legs. Now, a few bullish stocks out there, a few bullish sectors, heavy construction. This has a bullish falling wedge pattern. However, this is weakening only because it's touched this 40 level so many times. So this is actually making a series of lower highs in the RSI. So, and I just noticed this right now. I didn't even notice this the first time. See, the 40 provided support and it bounced, but then the more it goes down and it touches it, the more it weakens it. So actually, I don't even know how bullish this is anymore. I mean, basically, it found some significant resistance here. And again, this is a bullish falling wedge, but that doesn't guarantee that this is going to go back up and challenge resistance and really pose any kind of a bullish scenario. Reinsurers, really the reinsurers and the U.S. Property and Casualty Index, these look good, but again, this had its bounce. So really, at this point, this is in no man's land. Down here, as it was falling, I would have said it probably would have found support at 40. It did, and now it's bounced. So I don't even know how bullish this is. Let's look at this one. Same thing. This had its bounce. I could see both of these sectors just rolling over if we start to see some increased sellers. Bottom line, I'm not seeing a lot of sectors. I'm not seeing a lot of strength in the sectors that is supportive of this rally that we've had over the last 8 to 9 days, and I remain a bear.